Welcome to the NetRipple's Children Hospital system. This is a lifetime license software and it works on any Windows operating systems like Windows 7 or 10 or any LAN systems from Windows 2014 onwards. There is no monthly or annual subscription and you are the owner for full version and all of software is installed in your system. This software comes from an established organization with over 2 decades of services, and this software is in use in over 20 countries worldwide with over 10,000 clients and growing. For download the software, first we have to go through our website and click on that product which you want to buy and click on buy now. Or you can buy from Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal or Paytm also. If you are international customer, so you can convert price into USD, and if you want to get a CD, so click on add CD shipping charges. Then click on buy now. After that we have to add all details on the buy now page and select any payment gateway, or you can click on generate invoice for online payment. You will get a checkout page. Click on checkout, you will get a payment page, and after giving payment the message will be coming for download the software in link or your email also. Click on that link and download it. After downloading the software or when you get CD or DVD version, you will have a zip folder. Extract the file at a location in your system and open the folder to locate installation guide. Please follow all 3 steps one after another in order of 1, 2 and 3 steps for successful installation of software. First step for checklist before installation. Second step for SQL Server installation guide. And third for product installation guide. During installation of third step, you will be asked to enter product key. This you can find in your registered email when you download it or as a text file in the CD or DVD. During installation, now I am going to take you through the software to show how easily you can operate the software. After installation, you will be find a desktop icon and on click you will get a screen to create an administrator who will have complete rights on all process of screens. You can set up a ID and password here and remember it for login anytime later. Now go to the setup administration and control. Login it using ID and password. You can now add additional users, doctors, specialties, lab tests or investigation in each of the setup screens as you find in the setup and administration module as shown in the screen here. Here you can add additional users. Here you can set up corporate companies. Here you can register insurance company. Here you can set up the laboratories. Here you can set up the investigation or test. Here you can set up the specialties details. Here you can set up the doctors or consultant details. Here you can set up the ward or room details. Here you can set up the patient services details. Here you can set up insurance contract details. Here you can set up the doctor's consultation charges details for inpatient general patient, outpatient general patient, inpatient corporate patient and outpatient corporate patients also. Here you can add the duration also for general and corporate patient. Here you can set up the referrals doctor commission details. Here you can set up the packages for inpatient and outpatient. Here you can backup your data or enters into separate location in CD or portable drive or pen drive. Anytime, periodically, off weekly, monthly, 3 months or yearly so that you can restore them back later when you want it. Here you can set up the email and SMS configuration details. All screen in the software will have add, update, search, print and quit so that you can update and patient data anytime based on user permission. Now I will show you how to set a patient appointment when they call you or visit you. For example, if a patient want to take an appointment at 8:30 p.m. slot, you can do as I will show you now. First check the schedule of doctor and set up the appointment duration which can be 10 to 20 minutes or more based on each specialty of doctor. Then you can pick the 8:30 p.m. row in the table and double click to add the patient name. Now we have fixed the appointment. If you want to edit, you can double click the same row and edit it. In outpatient management, in outpatient search, here you can search the patient details. Now I will show you how to register a patient. Firstly, you need to select the category, which can be general, corporate or insurance patient based on their payment mode. Secondly, you need to enter patient details or bring the appointment based patient here, and add the minimum address can be shown here, or else if you want you can add all details in the screen now or later. You can also add here the image of the patient. Here you can add the personal information, give the consult information and development information, and save it. Details are saved. You will getting print of this report here. Now after registration I am taking you for e-prescription from the doctor. This can be used by doctor on his laptop or desktop, and all the registered patient will be available to the doctor in case you are in land environment. Now the doctor can advise patient's medicine, taste, and also can write some brief on his diagnosis. Click on add, give the details and save it. You will get a print of this report here. Here you can cancel the consultant using this screen. Here you can give the investigation to the outpatient. Select the patient name, give the investigation name, and click save. Details are saved. You will get in print of this report here. In outpatient bill preparation, you can give the patient services to the outpatient. Select the patient name, give the service name or write a service name, and save it. Details are saved. You will get in print of this report here. In outpatient cycle report, here you will get the outpatient cycle report. Select one of the patient name, then you will getting outpatient consultant report, investigation report, services report, and pharmacy also. In inpatient management, here you can search the inpatient details. Here you can register the inpatients. You can add here ward allocation information, patient history, consult information, and development information also. Here you can give the prescription to the inpatient. In ward management, in inpatient bed transfer, you can transfer the bed of the inpatient. Select one of the patient name, give the ward name and save it. Details are saved. In occupancy search, here you can search the bed of occupancy. In manage doctor visit, here you can register the doctor visit to the inpatient. Using this screen, you can cancel the visit of the doctors. Here you can give the investigation orders to the inpatient. Here you can give the services to the inpatient. Using this screen, you can estimate the bill of the inpatient. Here using this screen, you can manage the discharge of the inpatient. Here using this screen, you can prepare the bill of the inpatient. You will getting print of this report after saving. Using this screen, you can give the discharge summary to the inpatient. You will getting the print of this report. Using this screen, you will get the cycle report of the inpatient. In Cashier Management, in Manage Outpatient, using this screen you can pay the outpatient payments. Select the one of the patient name. You can give the consultancy bill, service bill, investigation bill and pharmacy bill also. Clicking on pay, you will getting print of this report here. You can manage for inpatients also. Here you can give the investigation result template to the inpatient or outpatient. The lab team can enter lab result here. For various tests as shown in the sample screen. Give the result and save it. You will getting print of this report here. Using this screen you can merge the reports of the patient. You will getting merged report here. In pharmacy management, in central pharmacy, log in it using ID and password. Here you can manage the location. You can add here the location details of drug. Here you can add the details of drugs. Here you can add the supplier's name. Here you can add the pharmacy list. Here you can manage the purchase orders. Here you can add the with receiving with or without purchase order. Here you can manage the supplier payment. Here you can manage the issues details. Here you can manage the sales or rise bill. Select the barcode of drug. Give the batch number. Give the number of pack. Click on add to grid. Give the patient detail. Select the patient name. Click on bill. So details are saved. You will getting print of this report here. In pending bills, here you can clear the pending bill of the patient. Here you can manage the sales returns of the patient. Here you can manage the purchase returns. Here you can manage the issues returns. Here you can search the drug details. Here you will get all summary reports. Here you can manage the report header. Here you can manage the new user or configure SMS and email details. Here you can set up opening balance. Here you can back up your data. Now go to main page. In client pharmacy, log in it using ID and password. Here you can manage the Indian details. You can add the drug details. Here you can manage the receiving details. Here you can manage the sales or rise bill. Select the barcode of drug. Give the batch number. Give the number of pack. Click on add to grid. Give the patient details. Select the patient name. Click on bill. Details are saved. You will getting print of this report here. In sales returns, you can return the sales of the patients. Here you can search the drug details. Here you will get the summary reports. Using this screen you can clear the pending bill of the patient. Using this screen you can return the issues returns. Here you can edit your password. Now go to main page. In HR management, here you can set up the qualification name. Here you can set up employee type name. Here you can set up designation name. Here you can set up department details. Here you can set up the leave type name. Here you can register the staff of the company. Using the screen you can save the leave request of the employee. Using the screen you can submit the finance approval of the air ticket entitlement. Here you can give the pending approval of the air ticket entitlement. Here you can save the engagement advice details. Here you can add the end of service benefit of the employee. Here you can manage the attendance of the employee. Here you can manage the employee of the change status. Here you can manage the employee payslip. Here you will get the HRM reports. Here you can edit your organization details. In Pediatrics module, here you can add the details of child growth. Here you can add the details of assessment and record of neonatal. Here you can add the details of immunization schedule of child. Here you can add the details of the vaccination due dates alerts. Here you can add the details of the medical history of child. You can search here. In report module, here you will get the all summary reports here. Just I show you for investigation rate. You will get in print of this report here. Thank you for watching this video. Please note you can get free training anytime at your convenience for you or your staff by calling on 9666 999 800 or 9666 999 885 or send an email request. Thank you.